Hey, Thomas here, Barry behind the camera. We are looking at a 2023 SX HEV Sportage. So, hybrid Sportage, non-plug-in, so you're still getting a good fuel range. You don't have to worry about installing the chargers at your home as well. So, very beautiful vehicle. Being a 2023, it's not brand new. This is a pre-owned option that we have on our lot. So, looking at the front here, those awesome boomerang headlights, they look fantastic. I love them so much. Coming around the side, you can kind of see the little cameras out here. We'll touch on those later about the blind spot cameras, but moving on to the back here, 18-inch wheels as you can see, beautiful rims, power liftgate. Look at that, tons of room. You're doing any traveling, you can fit all your bags in there as well. Plus, if you're not taking a bunch of people, you can fold those back seats down and fit larger objects in there too. Underneath here, you have a spare tire and the block heater cable. So next what we're going to do is we're going to jump inside, check out some features in there.
Here we are inside the vehicle. First thing I want to point out, Barry, is up top, the beautiful panoramic sunroof. So you got a huge amount of glass there, lets in all the natural light, just makes the vehicle feel that much bigger inside. Coming down here to the instrument cluster, you have your auto hold, which you talk about all the time, your different drive and terrain modes, backup camera, parking sensors. This is your shifter, so it's a dial shifter. Sometimes people have a little issue with those. I don't mind them, they're pretty nice. You've got the heated and cooled seats down here, heated steering wheel as well. Moving up, you have a wireless phone charger, USB-C, USB, and 12 volt. So lots of options for charging. And then this is really cool. This is kind of your control center here. So as you can see, it's on your infotainment settings for your media, your radio, all that stuff. One touch turns it to climate control. So there's not all these different dials and knobs here that you have to worry about. This is a nice vehicle as well too, because it has the heated steering wheel. So that really helps in the winter, defrosting the steering wheel there. So up in here, you have your navigation. We can go in hybrid mode so you can see how fuel efficient you are, and if you need to change some maybe driving habits, maybe your foot's a little too heavy sometimes there. Quiet mode, if you're doing long drives, maybe kids in the back, you can move all the sound up front so that they can stay sleeping in the back. Moving across here, I'll talk about the steering wheel. We have all of the cruise control settings here, and then your hands-free over here. And Barry, focus in on the instrument cluster there. So if you turn your signal light on, you have your blind spot cameras like I mentioned outside. So it's really nice. It just helps add that extra level of safety to the vehicle. Fantastic vehicle. Like I said, it is a pre-owned option. If this is something you're looking for, it's not going to last long. Come on down 730 Brown Road, check it out for a test drive, or give us a call if you have any questions. 306-955-5080. We'll see you soon.